Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will learn about setup of Cypress installations. So you can see that environment setup. So we have following steps to install that Cypress in your machine. So currently I am using that window machine, so we require that following software. First related to that are node.js, and first require the node.js to install in your machine. Second things is required the Visual Studio, and third steps the mention like that create one folder and we have to open that your VS Code, whatever VS Code is installed, and open the cmd command. We have to initialize that npm I initialization to for the generating create the package.json file. After that package.json file, we have to install the Cypress. So Cypress installation command is there, npm install Cypress hyphen hyphen save hyphen dev. To start the Cypress, nps Cypress open. This is to open the Cypress. After that, we have to wait for some time to first time it will launch. So by default, as we know that electron will be there, so we can select the electrons. Yeah, select E2E end-to-end testing and click on the buttons, and we can select the browser whatever. So if you want to select the Chrome, if available in the machine, you can select the Chrome. Otherwise, you select the electron. So now we will learn one by one steps. Okay. So first we want to install that node.js. So we are coming in the Google screens. Now we can search the node.js. Node.js. Okay, we have to download the node.js. This is the official side of the node.js. We can click on that and we can find that node.js particular things. Okay, so if your system is there 64-bit, then you can download the 64. If your system is different things, so I'm downloading the node.js version 20. Okay, I'm downloading. So here you can see I downloading and this is downloaded successfully. Okay, and as per the steps is there, first download and install the node.js. So we will install the node.js. We can go to here. My node.js is installing in my machines. You can see, and whatever term and conditions is there, I accept the term in the license agreement. Go to the next. What is the, you can change your destination folder if you want, but we are using the default one. C drive, program files, node.js. Next. No need to do anything. Directly click on the next. Okay, and again we have to click on next button and install. So now we are able to see node is installing in my machines. So it's showing the status in my machines. So now it's copying the files, is installing in my machine. Yeah, you can see that node.js setup is installed successfully, has been successfully, and we can do the finish. Now, what is the we have to know about that your node.js is successfully installed or not. So for that, we have to type node hyphen hyphen version.
Now open the CMD. We'll check version of the node.js. Node-v. We are able to see that
Visual Studio. Okay, so we can go to the Google again. Now you can download the VS Code download. Okay, we can go to first steps. We can install the VS Code. Installation is there. Download option is there. We can click on the download. It will be installed. Just a minute. I think it's not downloading. Now it will be downloaded. Yeah, VS Code is showing. We can save with this VS Code. Click on here and we are able to see the recent download is that file. We can install the VS Code in my machine. Okay, we have to select that license agreement. I accept that agreement. Okay, click on the next, 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 install. So now it is installing. Okay, okay, that successfully installed VS Code as well. Okay, fine. So now our third step is there, create a folder for project. So we can create in C drive, we can create one folder. I want to show you the folders. C drive. This C drive, we will create one folder. So I want to create one folder. So as we running the Cypress, so we can create the Cypress A. We can create the folder. Okay. Second step is there with you like create the folder test automation. So I create only Cypress A. Open in VS Code. So we will create. Now we open the VS Code. You can see VS Code is there. Okay, we can open that folder in VS Code. We can close this one. Open folder, right? We can go to the C drive. Okay, and where is the Cypress A? Select folder. Okay, it's opened successfully. Okay, we are tested. Okay, tested authorizations. Okay, Cypress is there. See, now you can see that Cypress folder is empty. Cypress A is empty. So next step is there to pass the command npm hyphen I and space and init. So create that package.json file. The mention like the opencmd and terminal. So then we execute the below command. So we are going to the terminals. Go to the terminal. Okay, we are came in terminal. Now we have to pass the command npm hyphen I init. Okay, we click on the enter. So now here asking the package name. Okay, so make sure you have to give the package name, so it will be defined on the same name. So package name also we are defining like Cypress. Okay, Cypress A. Yeah, okay, then enter. Now package name Cypress A. Sorry, name cannot longer than capital letters, so it should not be capital letter, it should be the small letter all. So we have to give small a. Cypress A. Yeah, Cypress is fine. Version number we have to no need to change. Click on the enter. Description no need to do anything. Index no need to do anything. Command also no need to do. Git repository after we can define it. We are creating the package.json files. Okay, it is okay. Yes, okay. Now you can see the package.json file is created, and whatever things we are defined here, it will become where Cypress is coming, Cypress is coming. So as per these steps, till here we did. Now next step to install npm install cypress hyphen hyphen save hyphen dev, that command to install the Cypress. So now we are installing the Cypress. Npm install Cypress hyphen hyphen save space hyphen dev. We have to enter. So as you know, Cypress is installing now. You can see in this screen. It will take a couple of minutes to install the Cypress, and when Cypress is installing, you can see that node underscore modules is there. This folder is created. This folder means Cypress files will be available in this folder. Now just wait for the installation of the Cypress. Yeah, now you can see the Cypress is installed successfully. Okay, so now you can see the Cypress is installed successfully. Now we can see after the Cypress install, we have to start the Cypress. So npx or Cypress open. So next command is npx Cypress open. When you pass this command, it will be open that our Cypress. So now if you are passing the command, it looks like opening, and we have to give the access for the allow access. Okay, after allow the access, we are getting these screens. Okay, so this is like Cypress is open. So first we have to click on the continue. Okay, after continuing, we are coming the two options like E2E and component testing. As you know that Cypress is end-to-end testing we are doing. So we have to configure that end-to-end testing. Click on that. Okay, I click on that. It's taking time. And now second is configuration files. This configuration files already there. Click on the continue buttons. Now Cypress is loading, and you can see all the browser, which browser you want to do. By default Electron is there. If you are using the Chrome, then Chrome also there. You can click on the Chrome also. You can start it to e testing in Chrome. You can click on the Chrome. This one you can see Cypress is launched successfully. Okay, and this is like by default is there. If you want to use by default files, you can click on that and you can mention got it. So this is our spec, means all test cases are available here. This is Cypress installed successfully.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.